Wow, extraordinary. Joining me on the phone now is Leslie Gordon. She is the president and CEO of the Food Bank for New York City. Leslie, you're in charge of running one of the biggest, if not the biggest, operation in the country. So, what's harder? Is it, seeing the need, or is it getting the food in order to help, feed that need?
Sure. So good afternoon, and thank you for having us. We're so pleased to be with you. That's right. So Food Bank for New York City is one of the nation's largest food banks. For context, in normal times, we provide about 60 million meals a year. And in the city, we're home to one of the nation's poorest congressional districts. We're at the heart of a network of about 1,000 on-the-ground food pantries, soup kitchens, shelters, senior centers, and other amazing partners throughout the 5 boroughs that help us get food directly into the hands of people who need it. And so they've been sharing with us that they've seen an extreme rise in the need for food.
How long are some of these lines?
Sorry?
How long are some of these lines that you're seeing in New York, in these 5 boroughs?
We have agencies who might normally see during a distribution about 250, and they're now telling us they're seeing, up to 500, 600 people on a line. And we're going to be in this for the long haul, right? So New York recently experienced 8 million unemployment phone calls this week, compared to a normal rate of 50,000 calls that New York State would field, and a lot of those are coming from New York City. At Food Bank for New York City, we're an essential service, and so we continue to serve New Yorkers. Our warehouse is open, our trucks are on the road to ensure that food is making it to our neighbors. And even in a scenario like this, we expect people to visit our partner agencies on the ground. Admittedly, we've had to change a little bit how we do business these days, and so we're nimble and we've pivoted our distribution methods. We can't do what we do alone, and so we've had to partner with other strategic organizations like the New York City Housing Authority, where for the last 2 weeks we were on the ground at 15 different housing developments, doing distributions of good fresh produce, whole grains, and all kinds of goods to keep people well stocked in these times so they can safely shelter at home.
And then you're doing this, with the edict of, social distancing. You usually are working in very close proximity of one another in order to distribute food. Are you running out of food? Do you have enough food to meet the need?
So at the moment, happily, we've been well stocked with food. We receive food from different channels, the USDA, our federal government, generosity of wholesale and other donors, including restaurants at this time, and then food that we purchase through our food procurement experts on staff. We have seen some delays, though, in food being delivered into New York City. There's a great deal of uncertainty and fear, for example, among truckers who normally come into New York City and are, worried about their health and safety. And so there may be some delays in food.
How can people help?
So there's really 3 ways people can help us right now. One is that for every $1 folks donate, we can turn that into 5 meals. And so we ask them to visit us online at foodbanknyc.org. The other is visit us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and please share our messaging to elevate awareness about the work that we're doing and the need at this time. And then finally, we need the help of additional sustained volunteer support. And so, New Yorkers, if you can call upon your local legislators and lawmakers and let Governor Cuomo know we need the National Guard now, that would be really helpful.
All right, you need food, dollars, and volunteers. Foodbanknyc.org and all social media. Leslie Gordon, thank you so much. Be well, and really kudos to all of you who are trying to help people eat. Really appreciate it.
Thanks so much.